Are you annoyed with the Halloween sounds in Discord? I'll show you how to disable them in just a few steps. First up, we're going to open up our Discord. And at the main screen, we'll click on the user settings option down here at the bottom. And over here on the left-hand side, you want to scroll down until you see notifications. Click on notifications. And then on the right, we're going to scroll down. And this is where you have sounds. So right now we have the Halloween sound pack. This will work with any seasonal sound pack that they have installed. So you have to click on it, and then you can go back over to the default sounds. Once you have that selected, you can test it out, and you can see that everything has been reverted. From here, you can disable some of the notifications or all the notifications if you want, and then you can just escape. And now you can go back to your channels. That's it. Hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please smash the like. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.